Alright guys, I know how it's going to happen, and I know exactly what's going to happen, except I don't know what I just said, but basically, I have a general idea of the concept I'm going to use for the 6,000 subscriber PC giveaway. So, I have narrowed down the ideas. Basically, the choice was between, should I integrate Twitch, or should I just do it on YouTube, and should I do watch time, or random, or basically how it is. So, I have made a decision. I have made a professional decision. So, I am definitely going to integrate Twitch in some way. Because it is a streaming PC, I feel it only fits it perfectly that I integrate the streaming service that I use, Twitch, and also for the betterment of my channel to be more, I don't want to say successful, but to get more viewers and to have more people on Twitch just in case, because I don't know what's happening with YouTube's terms of service. I don't know what's happening with YouTube's Markiplier and all this YouTube stuff that's going on right now. But Twitch is I think a safer platform in terms of just stuff like this. I don't know, but might as well be on two platforms. And also it's so much better for live streaming. And I like playing video games. I do like testing my hardware. Popping in this 1080 Ti, which you either learn about next video or the video before this one. I don't know how I'm going to post these videos. But I love taking this 1080 Ti, plopping it in this 9800X PC, and gaming on it, and doing that live. That's where I test my hardware. I do it on live streams, and then I'll make a video being like, I got 500 FPS while streaming or something like that, you know? And I don't feel like, I can't really make videos about gaming. It's just, it really has to be funny. Like, I'm pretty good at games, which is surprising, considering, but like, it's not really funny to watch me because I'm just like super focused, like, yeah, let's go. But streaming, you like watching people who are good when you watch a live stream. So that's why, which brings me back to the point of the giveaway, is why I'm going to integrate Twitch. So I have two ideas, and I think I know which one I'm going to go with. I want it to be as random as possible, so it's as fair as possible. But I also want it to be a team effort. Yes, you heard that right, a team effort. So, randomness and team effort. How do you make those go together? Because you can't work together in a random way. Or can you? So, on Twitch, when someone is watching a stream, when they have the tab open with the sound on, even if it's literally like basically muted, but the sound bar says it's on and not muted, Twitch has a funny way of not counting someone as a viewer if their sound is muted. Figured that out recently. Basically, you can mute the tab and leave the sound on if you don't actually want to hear what I'm saying. But basically, so there's a little viewer count that shows on the bottom in red. It's like, hey, this is how many views you have. Recently on a stream after my not my most recent, but the stream before recent, it was a nighttime stream, where I made a video, we jumped up and stayed at around 40 to 50 viewers, and we even touched 70 at one point. So, if we can hit 70 viewers whilst just giving away RAM. I literally said, hey guys, I'm giving away RAM, and then there's an RTX 2070 for Twitch Prime subs. If we can hit, yeah, by the way, if you have Twitch Prime and you sub with Twitch Prime on December 8th, I'll draw one of my random Twitch Prime subs to get an RTX 2070, and then next month we're doing a 5700 XT. The goal is to keep doing it every month until we get a lot of subs. But basically, that's bringing back to the point. So, we hit 70 just with RAM. And the people who watched the video and thought, I don't want RAM, I want a gaming PC, didn't hop on the stream. But what if they did? 200 people watched that video in the time that I was live. Did I already say this? This might have been different. I don't know. I think I said this in the video I just recorded. Sorry about that, guys. But basically, I wonder how many people would show up if I was giving away a PC. For people, not like for, like, if you show up, you get a PC, but whatever. Basically, I want to hit and stay at 100 Twitch viewers. And I could not for the life of me think of a way to encourage people to come on and be part of 100 viewers without making it a watch time giveaway, in which case thousands of people just straight up can't be entered, because I don't think I'll be hitting 1,000 viewers anytime soon on Twitch. But thousands of people won't be entered if I were to do it that way. So I've decided to do it a different way, which does integrate Twitch, but gives everyone hopefully a fair chance. Now, there are some people who have come to me personally and said, my country banned Twitch. Or literally, I just can't get on it. It's impossible. It's banned at my house. Those people, I know exactly who you are. You know who you are. You commented, and you know exactly who I'm talking to. You're fine, dude. I will give you the entry. So don't worry about it. But for everyone else, don't worry. Don't try to fake it. I know who I'm talking about. Don't try to fake it. So, basically, and if you try to fake it, I'll just ban you. Basically, I want to hit 100 viewers on stream, or more, at least. So, here's where the team effort comes in. When I finalize the idea and get everyone ready, I need to get a group of moderators. I need to have people setting this up. I need to make sure my internet's going to be good. I need to have my PCs set up. But basically, I think it's going to start maybe next week or a little bit in the future. I'll make a whole video about specifics. Make sure you watch this whole video or you won't know. So basically, it's going to be that once we hit, or if, here's the thing, if we never hit 100 viewers, nothing I can do. Nothing I can do. No PC. You will try again later. Basically, that's it. Because, I mean, come on, 100. I upload a video called Gaming PC Giveaway. It gets 100 views in 5 minutes, okay? We can do 100 viewers at any given time. I don't care. People are like, oh, I can't make it to this time. I'll be streaming at random times. Basically, here's where the teamwork and the randomness come in. So, teamwork. You will only be entered if at any time I hit 100 viewers, you are there. So basically, when the stream is over, or at the time I hit 100 viewers, I will open up the viewer list and take a screenshot. And then I will consistently have about 4 to 8 moderators, I think 10 actually, 4 to 10 moderators, depending on the time, actively checking who is there and who isn't. And yes, this will work because we can also check after the stream using third-party like Streamlabs, Stream Elements, all that stuff. Those I use multiple softwares, and then I make sure they all line up together. I make absolutely sure we are thorough, so that no one who doesn't deserve an entry gets one, and that no one who deserves an entry doesn't get one. You know, making sure everyone who deserves an entry gets one. Basically, is what we do. So I will have moderators constantly holding up the list, checking who is there. So at any time, if we are at 100 viewers, everybody there will be entered into the random generator, the bot that we use, and their names will be put. So, the teamwork is 100 of you have to be on the stream at any given time. And if you want an entry, just watching the stream alone is enough. If you want an entry, 100 people must also want that same entry. So, if we get 200 viewers, I'll give you 2. If we hit 300, I'll give you 3. If we hit 400, I'll give you 4. If we hit, etc. But we're not going to get that high. So basically, 100 viewers, everyone who is watching at the times, even if we hit 100 viewers and someone comes in an hour later and we're still at 100, you get an entry. So basically, if you are on the stream at any time and we are at 100 viewers at that time, you will get an entry into the PC giveaway. And I'll be sure to announce it. Hey, guys, we just hit 100. Everyone here gets an entry. 5 minutes ago to back. Okay, just making sure everyone here gets an entry, just in case someone didn't realize. So, that's the teamwork, and that's the randomness. And then it'll be randomly generated from those people who got entries. Now, if you think you're not going to be able to make it, because, oh, you're probably doing this one day, it'll be an entire week, and I will at least be streaming at any given time. At any given time of one of those 7 days, I will be live. So, basically, I will be streaming. Basically, it'll be like a 24-hour stream over a week. So, if there's a time that exists that's good where you live, then I will be live on one of those 7 days at that time. And you will know, because I will give you guys an actual schedule. As soon as I plan it, like I said, within a week, I will have a video up with an exact schedule of when the stream is going to be. But like I said, so, 100 viewers on Twitch, everyone gets an entry who is watching at that time. I know some of you probably hate this idea because you're like, well, that requires that I do work. Well, yeah. Imagine how much work I have to do to buy a gaming computer. Well, actually not that much because a lot of it's paid for from last year on Twitch. But that's the point. You guys, you should watch my video on how I pay for these giveaways. I made a video called that. It explains a lot of the stuff about where these giveaways come from. But basically, that's how it's going to work. And the reason I want it is because, first of all, 100 viewers, it opens up worlds on Twitch. There is something where if you average 75 viewers on Twitch, you get something called, if you average 75 viewers for a month, like your just average is generally 75 viewers concurrently, you can apply for something called Twitch Partner, which opens up a world of possibilities on Twitch. You get access to like sponsors, you get more ad revenue, your sub revenue goes up a whole $1 per sub, which is a lot. If you think about it, you get $3.50 per sub instead of $2.50, which is actually a decent amount. If you get 100 subs, that's 100 extra bucks. So there's a lot of stuff. So Twitch Partner is the overall goal of me streaming on Twitch. I don't think I'm going to get it. I mean, hitting 50 for RAM is pretty good. I think we can hit 100 for an entire streaming computer. 2700X, RX 580, 16 gigs of RAM. That's basically all the specs in it. I probably might do an RX 590 because I actually don't have the RX 580. I might just buy an RX 590. It's like $30 more. Or even, I don't know if you guys want a used thing in there, but even like a used 1070 Ti or even a used 1080 might be a possibility just for better gaming performance on it. But that's besides the point. So, you guys know what the deal is. I'll have the exact details of when the streams are, what the exact rules are going to be. But like I said, it's going to be 100 viewers contingent. It is contingent on hitting 100 viewers if you want to be entered. So what can you do? If your stream has 90 viewers, call a friend. Call your friends. Be like, yo, get on here. Enter as me. And you can hop on a different device, like hop on your phone and your computer at the same time, get 2 views going. That's the point. So, I've digressed 1,000 times. Like I said, the rules very specifically. Yes, it's international, in case anyone's wondering. If you ask that question, you disqualify. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. But, please don't ask that question, because I do tell you all my giveaways are international. So, the rules to be very specific so nobody asked. Follow my Twitch, link in the description right now. Turn on notifications just in case. I'll be streaming and talking about the rules all this week, every night. Well, for the most part. I sometimes miss nights because my life is just crazy. So, here's what's going to happen. You're going to follow my Twitch if you want. This is for entry into the giveaway. I'm not being like, you're going to follow my Twitch. No. For entry into the giveaway, it's going to be random. So, you're going to follow my Twitch. When I go live, I will make another video with a schedule and what's going to happen and exactly the rules of how it's going to work and when I'm going to go live during that week. It will be a week. If I'm past or even if I haven't hit 6,000 subscribers, whatever, I'll just schedule the week anyway. So basically, during that week, I will be streaming 7 times or even more. I might stream 2 times in one day. I'm crazy. So, I'll be streaming at least 7 times, 1 per each day on that week, at times different on each day so that everybody in every country has a chance to be entered. Even if your country might have a different time zone, you will have a chance because I'll be streaming at crazy hours. So, come on the live streams. Leave your phone on if you want to. Just leave it on and go to bed. Leave your phone on and, get breakfast. Leave your phone on and go make some toast. As long as something, like one of your devices on your account is viewing my stream, you count as a viewer. And you have a chance of being entered, aka when we hit 100 viewers, you will be entered even if you're not physically there. You don't even have to be active in chat. If I have 0 people in chat, 100 watching, that's fine. So, while you're watching, if at any point the viewer count, aka the amount of people watching, goes up to 100 viewers at a time, every person watching during the span that we have 100 viewers will be entered for the randomness of the giveaway. Basically, your name will be put into the bot with 1 entry. So, if you want that, that's how it'll work. So, basically, if you are watching during the time when there's 100 people watching, you will be entered. Anyone who leaves is fine. You've been there for 100 viewers, but if it goes below, people don't start getting entered until then. So we make sure, and if there's overlap, we just delete the extra entries. But basically, everyone watching at any time. So if you come on and there's 100 viewers, congrats, you got an entry. If you come on and there's 50, well, sorry, you might want to wait until the 100 or tell your friends. Now, if we happen by any chance to hit 200 viewers during that time, everybody watching gets, every single person watching gets 2 entries. Also, here's another thing. I don't know if I'm going to do this yet. This is a possibility. So back from the strict rules to a possibility that I kind of just thought of. So because I do want people to show up multiple days if they can, I will most likely give more entries. I will probably make it so that each person can get entries each day. So if you're watching and we hit 100 viewers, okay, you get your entry. The next day, we do the exact same thing, and you're watching during that 100 viewers, you get another entry. I will probably do it like that. So the max amount of entries you can get is 7. Now, that doesn't mean you automatically win. Entries are just, it's a bot. We put in how many people are. So we put in, John Boyd Jonathan, James Jordan, James the Third, and all the names. And then entries, 1, 17. No one gets 17, but that's the point. And then it's completely random from there. I have rarely had, I think maybe once, a person with multiple entries has actually won a giveaway. because it is still, it's, they have a better chance, but it's still unlikely that they win because there is still thousands of other people. But that's how to get multiple entries. If you're watching when we hit 100 on one day and you do it again, you get to it, you get another entry. So that's how it'll be. And I think I am going to do that to kind of encourage people to come back so that everyone gets a chance. With any luck, hopefully there will be 1,000 entries into this giveaway. That's usually how many enter. I'm hoping for maybe 700 at least. So we hit 107 times and there's different people. I'm hoping there's 700 entries. Okay, that's kind of the goal here. But you know how it's going to work, so make your plans. Only 100 people out of the maybe 4,000 that might watch this video or watch the next video or watch any of the videos titled this, 100 people have to show up at some point, right? Who knows? And I'll make videos every day when I go live. I'll be like, video, we're going live, PC giveaway right now. Hop on Twitch. So that's the rules. If you have any questions that aren't dumb, comment them below. Me or one of my mods. Yes, Bob Jones is a moderator. I know that's a funny name, but he is one of my YouTube mods. So if me or one of my moderators answers your question, that'll be it. So that's this point. I wish you guys luck, and I hope you guys will follow my Twitch right now. Like I said, if you know who you are, who I'm talking to, you're fine. Don't worry about it. That's this point. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Also follow my Twitter.